Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this AUVON dual channel tense massager. This is what you get. I mean, it's not in the box anymore, but I'm going to show you everything what you get. You get a lot of these pads, 4 of these large pads in 2 bags. That's a lot. If you like large pads, then this could be something for you. But we get also 4 of these medium size pads, and then we get these pads holder. That's also a nice extra, so you can put your pads here and then wrap around your cable, so it's easier to store and use. We get this charging cable. This time it's micro USB cable, not USB-C. And here we get these extensions cords. I mean, this is how you plug it into the device, and here you have the 2 ends which you connect with the pads here. This is how it works, and the pads are really nice. I've already tested them. They even work with some hair. Let's say if you have some hair on your arms like me a little bit, you don't have to shave it, but of course it has to be very clean. You shouldn't be sweating, no oily skin, no grease, no nothing, but then you can use them many times as long as you keep them clean. After usage you can put them back in the bags here. They are resealable. You can cut them and then open and close as many times as you need. Comes with this charger, of course, as well, and it comes with this instructions manual. It describes everything what we have, all the functions, really nice. And it's really important to read that, because especially there are 2 limitations or restrictions in general. With these tense units, you shouldn't use them on some special parts of your body, and you shouldn't use them in some special situations like when you're pregnant or so. These things, that's really important before you use it. Just read everything. Doesn't take too much time. It's everything nicely described. By the way, this unit is the model AS8012, works for 110 to 240 volts, and it's rechargeable, so you don't have to use it on power. So you can use it, for example, outside when you're relaxed outside in your patio or so. And here's the charging port. By the way, you can't charge and use it at the same time. You can see we have turned it on. When we plug it in, it goes automatically back into the charging mode. But it has a nice 10-hour of charge when it's fully charged, so it lasts easily the whole day. Then you can recharge it and use it for another day. I mean 10 hours is a lot. I mean, usually I'm not using it more than like 15 minutes or so, and then it lasts almost forever. It comes also with some contact information. They have their website. Everything what we need is here, and we can also close this opening here, charge port. That's really good. And here we have the on-off button, and you can see we have 10 different sections of programs or functions, and for everyone we have 2 different options, means 20 in total. We have the battery indicator. We also have this nice background illumination, which is much nicer than what you can see on the camera. Camera doesn't really represent what you can see. It's nice blue. You can see everything nicely. And the really special thing with this tense unit is that we have a dual channel, so it doesn't only have 2 ports here where we can connect these extension cords. By the way, each of these cords have 2 ports here, or 2 plugs, and then we can add 2 pads and actually treat 1 area. So with 2 channel we can treat 2 different areas of your body. But this thing here is really special because it has really 2 totally independent channels. Some of these devices, they have just 2 ports here which are working exactly the same, or you can just adjust the strengths. Here we can run 2 totally independent programs. You can see that here when we press this button here, then the A starts blinking and we can change the mode. You can go through everything and choose your program and also choose the strengths which you want to apply to channel A, and then you can hit the button B and you can also choose the program for the channel B, and then you can adjust the level for the channel B. That's really good here. So that's one of the top 10 units. So we have almost everything here. What's missing, maybe a manual mode where you could adjust the speed and the strengths individually without any pattern or so, but usually people are not using that too much. And what we also don't have here on this one is a continuous mode like forever. We have a timer for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30, 40, 50, 60 minutes, and then it starts over to 10 minutes. So 60 minutes is the maximum, then you would have to start it again, but 60 minutes is really, really long. It also doesn't have a pause, but when you hit the M, like the mode button, then it will stop automatically. Anyway, we can do this also for the A. You can see we hit the mode button and then it goes like into stop or pause. So there's definitely not much missing here. Very, very good device. I've already tested it and it worked really good. I mean, yeah, also something they are just mentioning TNS, which means actually it's supposed to work for pain relief. TENS, that's the pain relief mode. Some of these massagers have some dedicated muscle stimulation programs. This one doesn't have it, but for me I would say there's not much difference. I mean, you can use all these programs also for muscle stimulation. It just doesn't have specific programs for that. So if you want to have something really advanced, a lot of pads and a lot of programs, and especially dual channel which you can use totally individually, this could be the perfect thing for you. I've been using that. I mean, it's definitely some proven technology. It's not just a scam. I've been using that for my lower back pain and it did a lot. It improved the situation quite a lot. I mean, it's not an overnight miracle, but it can do quite some improvement over time. So I can highly recommend it, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order drive from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.